Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're going to give you an update on the Pinnacle development. Now the Pinnacle is now officially the tallest building in Jamaica. It has reached 20 floors and they are working on the 21st floor. This building will be 28 floors when finished. So it is now taller than the Rogers, which is 20 floors, and the Rogers held the title as tallest building in Jamaica. Now the section we're looking at is where they're going to put 3 additional towers. You can see the tall tower, that's tower 1. Beside it, that is going to be a parking garage, and they're going to have an entertainment area on the roof of the parking garage that will have pools, etc. And then to the left of the parking garage is where they're going to start construction on Tower 2. Now, phase 1 of the development will involve the building of 2 towers. And they estimate phase 1 to be finished by the end of 2026. And then they will build Tower 3 and 4 in phase 2. Also, they're going to be building a commercial center, which is that building on the right. And the Pinnacle is going to be a mixed-use development. 1 tower will be a hotel and the other 3 towers will be residential units. And this will be the tallest building in Jamaica and also the English-speaking Caribbean. However, it won't be the tallest for very long because they have broken ground on the construction of the Moon Palace in Montego Bay also. And that building is going to be 33 floors. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.